In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Fortnite packet loss problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of several small steps. First, we will change the internet packet priority. After opening Device Manager, we click on Network Adapters. Once we do this, we need to right-click on Intel or Realtek Gaming. In my case, the setting we want to change is in Realtek Gaming, so I am right-click on it. Then we click on Properties. After doing this, click on Advanced. From Properties section, select Priority and VLAN and set the value to Enabled. Click OK and close this window. Another thing we need to do is add launch options to Fortnite. To do this, we open Epic Games. Then we click on the profile icon in the upper right and open Settings. After that, we scroll down and click on Fortnite. We take additional command line arguments and type -limit client text. After doing this, we close Epic Games. To reset our internet from Windows settings, right-click on the Windows icon and then open Settings. After doing that, click on Network and Internet on the left. Then click on Advanced Network Settings and then Network Reset. The last thing we need to do is click on Reset Now and then click Yes to continue. After this process, we need to restart our computer. After doing that, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to change the matchmaking region. Before doing this, we need to reset our modem. This is important because the problem might be related to our modem. After doing that, to change the matchmaking region, we open Fortnite. Then, from the upper right corner, we click on our profile and open the menu. After that, we click on Settings. Click on the gear icon and, if the matchmaking region is set to auto, we change it from auto to a different region where the ping is low. If the region is not auto, set it to auto. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to set ports for Fortnite. To do this, we need the port numbers for Fortnite. We can find these ports by searching for Fortnite port forward in our browser. The ports will also be in the description. To add these ports to our computer, we go to the search section and open the firewall. After doing this, we click on Advanced Settings on the left. Then we click on Inbound Rules and then New Rule. Here we need to select port. After selecting, we click Next. After that, we tick TCP and copy and paste our port. Then we click Next without making any other changes. Finally, in the name section, we write Fortnite TCP and click Finish. To add the other port, we click New Rule again. Then we will follow the same steps. The only difference is that we select UDP instead of TCP. After selecting UDP, we copy and paste from the website again and click Next. We don't make any other changes in the same way. We write Fortnite UDP in the name section, so that will be easy to find if you wanna delete it later. Finally, we click Finish and complete the process. We set the ports. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.